Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's notification block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new page to look at this block on its own. So there's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged in on your site anywhere, you'll have this top toolbar, hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in through your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar and hover onto Pages and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and make us a brand new blank page. Okay, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the settings to toggle and configure for our block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title, just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's go ahead and add the block itself. There's this blue button over here, top left corner. Click on that. It's called the block inserter. We can either scroll down or search for the block. Since Stackable is on top of list, we don't have to go too far. Notification is right here. Just drag and drop that anywhere on your workspace. And let's close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. Now, let's just go ahead with default. All of the other ones are grayed out because those are Stackable premium features, but we can work with just this. As you can see, the parent block, all right, if I click on here, it is a notification. Let's take a look at the different kind of options that we have here. So we can change our width, okay? We can change our content alignment. We can change the minimum height, maximum width, make it horizontal or vertical, and then block gap, also the block size and spacing, so that's margins and padding. And then the container, we can enable or disable that, but let's keep it enabled because that's how it comes with default and notification. Next, we have the style tab. Now, the first one is general, and there's a few different types. We have error, warning, and information. It just changes the color of the block. Let's go with warning. Actually, no, error. It's a bit easier on the eyes. And to make it dismissible, all right, watch here. We just enable this. Now, this allows us to close the block. Okay, I can make it a bit bigger. I'll make the icon color dark, right? And then for the background, we can add that, and it's separate from the container itself. So I'll make this orange. And then for borders and shadow, if you wanted to add a border around the background, the container border radius, we can make the notification itself round, and we can add an outline to that. And we can add a link to this whole block if we wanted to. But we're not going to do that in our general settings, which is HTML tag, overflow clear, our hard position settings, our custom attributes, which are HTML, our responsive settings to hide this on desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and HTML anchor, and our additional CSS classes. Now let's go ahead and customize this, the contents of this block. So let's go ahead and click on the icon, and let's search for a different one just to change it. Let's go with the skull and crossbones. Let's make it bigger, right? Show some urgency. You can rotate it a bit. We can add an icon shape to this. Let's make it, okay, and then shape padding, make it bigger, and then make it round, okay. Warning. Okay, and then we can change the typography to be an HTML tag, or we can just change it hard settings just like this. And we can also change the font if we wanted to. And then we can also website assets does not tolerate media piracy. Okay, that's a great example of a use for this. And then we can have learn more. and then we can put the link on this and everything. It's just a button. We have a video on this, and then we can probably have this as our animation for that, and I think I'm happy with this. So let's go ahead and test this on our site by clicking on Publish to save it, and let's wait for it to do that. Okay, with that saved, let's click on View Page, and it takes us to our brand new page with the notification test. Now here is our warning notification. We can click on this, but it won't take us anywhere. We can click on this, and it closes the notification for us. Oh, and it doesn't come back since you closed it. So there you go. There is our Stackable notification block in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.